I wish I just recorded the amount of times I've been in and out of my house. So I have some sad news, but we're getting a replacement. I have to return my extended selfie stick because I went to put the Insta360 on it just now. It pulled right on out. I tried to fix it, but the piece that is supposed to go wherever it was refused, and then the carbon fiber started to split a little bit. So I figured I'd just do a full-blown exchange through Amazon because that's where I bought it. So that's what I'm about to do right now. I'm going to return this to UPS, and hopefully they'll send me my replacement sometime this week, because that would be fantastic. I got a couple rides coming up, so let me head on over to UPS right now. Alright. Oh wait, I never turned on my music. And hopefully the quality is better. So let me redo this. What is going on, y'all? It's your girl Coco, aka Leah. Welcome back to another Moto vlog. I think we're on like number 11, to be honest with you. Which is dope. But so I was outside earlier, riding with my girl. I was checking out the footage because she had to go get her kids, and it was all trash. Like, I might be able to use a couple bits and pieces, but it was too like whited out, so it looked like trash in my opinion. Like, the angles and stuff was good, it was just like the color that was awful. And I want to rearrange my whole mic because apparently I am breathing all in y'all ear. So maybe when I get home tonight, I'll try and readjust where the mic is, the placement of it, and hopefully y'all won't be hearing my breath the whole ride, and I can just talk to y'all. But I don't know how to change that otherwise. Whoop, false neutral. Whoopsies! I've been doing that a lot lately. I don't know if it's the shoes or something changed within my shifter, but I want to fix it. I was looking at an aftermarket, like, I don't even know what to call it, the shifter thingy. It's not the lever, but it's like part of it that helps it. I know you're not stopping at a yellow light, Mr. UPS, SPS. So yeah, anyway, the footage earlier was trash, so I guess I'm trying it again. Hopefully this looks way clearer than what it was. I do have a ND filter on it, and I realized that I didn't switch to the correct preset, so I think that was my issue, because I've been doing research, because I want to get y'all the best quality possible, you know? Like, I want everything to look crystal clear, crispy, Gucci, everything, all of that, just for y'all. So hopefully it looks that way. I can't see it right now. I do have my little quick mount on it, but oh my god, I know I moved what, 2 cars? Two whole cars. So hopefully it's crispy. If it's not crispy, we'll find out when I'm editing, or y'all will tell me in the comments. Let me know if it's crispy. Come on, we can do it. Ooh, that's a squishy accident. Oh, that's a T-bone too? That's crazy. Ooh, I stopped in second gear. That's crazy. Thank you. I gotta return it. I'm tired of coming back to y'all. Hold on. It literally just happened too. I was like, damn. You too, thank you. I'm too experienced. Some rock and roll. Alright, let me check out this footage and see if it's okay, at least for right now. Otherwise, I gotta restart the whole thing all over again. Did you have a different color before?
The bike?
No. Was it no blue?
Oh, that's my husband.
Oh. I was like, when do y'all have blue?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, y'all. So right now, we're gonna get ready and we're heading over to Chili's because why not? We can get some apps so we can get a couple sippy sips. I did check the footage and it looked way better, so I'm really happy about that. But right now we're trying not to get stuck in no traffic. Well, so the goal is not to be stuck in traffic because our bikes will get hot. So we're gonna go get some food. I haven't eaten all day, literally. The only thing I've had today is my Arizona drink. I had a mucho mango that I got from the gas station because I was thirsty because it was way hotter. Right now it's cool down. I really need to like learn these back roads. Oh, sorry, my sinuses. My boy, what are you doing? Oh, that man almost got run over. Cause what was he doing? Woo, thank you for looking. Who were they? I don't know who they were. My little legs.
So he talked to my husband. I'm like, baby, you don't mind if I go back out, right?
Oh.
He's like, no, it's okay. I'm like, all right, bye. I left before he could even change his mind. I'm like, bye.
It's cold. There we go. Hopefully y'all can see now. Come here. Come here.
I'm coming.
Come. My little legs. Now, depending on how cold we get, we could start this over again later this week. Cause I hate getting cold.
I know, me too.
And you naked.
Yeah, pretty much. We could go riding tomorrow.
Huh?
Are you gonna go tomorrow or no?
Tomorrow night?
No, in the morning.
What's tomorrow? Oh, wait.
And we could do the
What time? What time is it?
At 10.
10?
It's from 10 to 2.
10 to 2, okay. Message me, make sure I'm up.
Okay.
Remember, I don't sleep.
I know.
I'll be just waking up.
I'll wake you up.
I wake up early, then I go back to sleep.
Well, do you want to go to the thing tomorrow? The club?
Yeah.
We could do that. I'll take you to the warehouse one.
Ma'am. Trying to kill me?
It's like we could get kidnapped.
Girl. Which way do you want to go right now?
If you want, we could go home. I don't know. Hey, I
didn't say if you want me to go home. We could take the loop back.
Okay.
And then we can split off of Atlanta.
Okay. Yeah, we could do that.
That's fine.
Yeah.
Because you go further than I do.
Yeah, I do.
But I think it's going to be quiet right now, so it's not going to be traffic.
We could do that.
Okay.
I'm there.
I don't like being cold. That's why I moved back south.
If I had my jacket, I'll be
If I had my other jacket, because I normally have a hoodie under that. But yeah, we'll come back out. Ugh. How do I exit?
Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it open. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lotion. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a